I got it here, US military survival kit from Vietnam era. So let's open it up and see what's about. First of all, there's a zipper holder. Nice. Woodmaster Paul, trademark, Victor Tools. So beautiful. You got it here, machete with the handle. They said here, I guess wraps around like this. And this is like a trim cutter. And looks like right here more like of a pry bar. This is not sharp. Interesting machete. They still make them. Very cool stuff. Okay. What is this? Survival toolkit, Airman's. Oh, cool. I kind of like it. They give you a little note. This is awesome. I guess that's an instructional informations. Ooh, check this out. It tells you what it should be in it, and it tells you how to use it and stuff. That is cool. That's actually important. Look at it. There's saw and everything. What else is in here? Nothing. Oh, by the way, this is a belt loop. Does that come off? Oh, it comes off like this. There's some markings over here. Let's unzip this. We have a few more tools in here. Okay, there's a saw. Okay, what's in here? Comes with a sharpening stone. Beautiful. Looks like been a little bit used. What else is in here? Couple more parts. Oh, a different saw. Let's figure this out, how to put it together. So you just slide it in and put the hook through like this and just tighten it up. Very simple but very smart. And this is right here will be for bigger logs. What is this for? You know what, I think this is some kind of scraper. That's all it is. You see, not really sure what it's for, but there you go. And another one is just for different type of wood or metal saw. Looks like. Turn it up. I guess you'd hold it this way. Pretty unique little survival tool set. It unfolds really easily and sits really well onto your belt. I like it. This considerably actually a good condition. I know it's pretty used, but it's pretty old. Most of them were pretty much used. So there you go. There's your belt or tool set, US military.